Hey guys, just a quick vlog. It is finished. Well, for now. I mean, I still got to do the cabling and everything else on the wheels, but it is done. Both sides are fished through. I actually had to use oil to get the wires in. So you can see these are the holes that pull the air through. I plugged these all up with metal tape. They won't come loose and jam up the wheel. Put little globs of glue on the edges so if they do get unsticked and basically melt and fall into the wheel, it won't jam it up. It'll basically I might want to put a dab of glue on that too, just to hold those from coming out and revving. But the only way the air is going to be pulled is through this way and through the actual windings itself, not through the core of it. So the air will be passing from this side to this side through these holes here. So it's going to help. I got a temp gauge, your hall wires, two RC type wire for the power for the fans, and one phase coming out this side, two on the other side. They're all terminated and ready to go. Take a look at the other side. I've already done a test on the fans. They wail pretty good. You see on my short, if you watched my short. Double checked all the hulls and everything else. These are not going to move. Like, you can break them free if you wanted to, but it would take a lot. That glue that I use, this stuff here, is a godsend. Anyway, I want to quickly make a video before I put the lid back on, and then maybe I'll do another fan test with the lid on so you can hear what it sounds like with enclosed. It's not very loud. Well, it is a little bit, but anyway, give me a chance to put the lid on it and we'll take a look at it. Well, this one is short and sweet. I just basically wanted to get it back together, like sitting around the bench, and get fall, hit the floor, damage to the motor, or worse, damage to windings, and still got a ways to go. Like these connectors here, I'm going to be using bullet connectors, probably the thickest ones I can find. Going to be using an aviation plug on the hulls if I even use those, and yeah. Oh, I went and installed the thumb throttle. I think I'm going to like that. It's really freed up the bars with all kinds of junk that was on there. I really like now that I basically got these push on and screw down grips, better quality. Like, these feel really nice. It's gonna be nice to ride around, not be stuck with the standard ones with those stupid throttle grips. Anyway, I want to let you hear the sound of the fan. Now you can feel the air coming out the other side, so it works. It's crazy. It's loud, but what I did is I ended up putting the lines coming right out, because I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to design something as the wheel heats up. It'll sense the temp and turn the fans up, which would be pretty cool. Sounds pretty cool. Anyway, it does throw air, so it wasn't a waste of time. I find that actually works better when you plug up all the holes, because then it has no choice but to pull the air through the other side instead of circulating it. So anyway, that's done. Moving on to the next thing. We're gonna still got to take this apart and clean it and paint it and everything else. But I figured I'd give you an update on the wheel. She is finished. And basically got to buy another one and do the same thing again. Later, guys.